Hi everyone, Meredith SK or Lady Cartoonist on Instagram here, and right now I've got a very quick video from a question from someone over on the Clip Studio Reddit, which is whether using a selection will prevent the colorize feature from bleeding. You can see by my little dancing ants here that I've got a selection. Unlike Photoshop, there's not a default quick key for entering quick mask mode. You have to go up to selection and quick mask, and you can see that I've got his cape selected here. Fortunately, with Clip Studio, you can assign keys for pretty much anything, but that's something for a later video. So I'm going to turn off quick mask, and again, I'm going to make sure that my line work is set as the reference layer, and that my current editing layer is his cape here. And I'll go just straight into Edit, Colorize, use Hint Image and Colorize. So there you have it. The answer is yes, using a selection area will prevent the colors from bleeding, which is excellent. Thanks for the question. Keep them coming. I'm happy to do referrals, I guess is the right word.